100 milliliters. Okay. So I'm going to compare two volumes in milliliters. Cameron, what's the first thing I need to measure?
10 gummy worms.
Okay, everyone put your finger where it says 10 gummy worms. Okay. And then move one column over. So what am I going to compare that to? Zoe?
You're going to compare it to 10 gummy bears?
Okay, I'm going to compare the volume of 10 gummy worms to the volume of 10 gummy bears. First things first, I've got to measure. And then I can use the subtraction to compare. 10. Okay, Lucy. How many milliliters are 10 gummy worms filling?
65.
That sounds right to me. 65. See? 65 milliliters for 10 gummy worms. So, the first thing we have to record, Melissa Jessica, is the number of milliliters to my 10 gummy worms. So put your finger where you're going to write that down. Okay, go ahead and write it. 65 milliliters. My next challenge will be, can I get them out of here? Is 35 milliliters. Okay. So I need to figure out what the difference is. Which one fills more volume? So how can I set this up as a subtraction problem to compare these two amounts? Abraham, how can I set this up as a subtraction problem to compare the volume of my worms to the volume of my bears? Put them how? Think about it. We've got two numbers. We need to figure out the difference. And we know we use subtraction to compare. So am I going to compare them by doing 35 minus 65 or 65 minus 35? Yeah, that makes sense. Biggest on top. And we stack them up. So let's go ahead and stack them like this. Kimberly, looking at the ones column, 5 minus 5, what's that? Is it impossible? Look at this purple part of our rhyme. Say it with me, guys. Wait, let's all say it together. Numbers the same, zeros the game. So, Miss Kimberly, 5 minus 5, what's that? 0. 5 and 5 are the same, so 0. And Kimberly, what's 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Fiona, will you read us the last column in the first row? Read us these words.
The gummy worms filled like milliliters.
Okay, so we need to figure out if it's more or less. So the gummy worms fill more or less. Uche?
More.
More. So go ahead and circle more. All right. And Cameron, how many milliliters more? How many milliliters did they fill more? In the gummy bears?
30.
30. So in the line, write 30. Great. So now we know from doing our subtraction that the gummy bears filled 30 milliliters more than the gummy worms 30 milliliters more than the gummy bears.